It's an opportunity where everyone's here together, listening to various allies and partners in those formal presentations, the breakouts, and then the endless conversations that we have, speaking with industry. That is what we need to make our army more lethal, double lethality by 27 and triple by 30.
What I came to do here was to update the larger community on what the U.S. Army's combat vehicle development activity is doing, to be able to talk about both our persistent modernization and how modernization is not something that is one and done. You have to do it continuously, and small bits of innovation added over time actually prove more effective in growing capability.
The International Armoured Vehicles Conference is really important for us for two main reasons. I mean, firstly, because we get access with the main customer stakeholders, be that for the UK or international. And secondly, because we get great visibility of other companies that we can work with to collaborate to provide solutions to our customers.
One of the things we've done in our investment is the reintroduction of armoured vehicle manufacturing into the UK, and Boxer is the example of that. We see here today the first British Boxer that has rolled out, so that's metal plate entering the factory and a cutting-edge armoured vehicle driving out.
The International Armoured Vehicle event does differ from most of the other trade shows and events that we go to, in that you've got the different nations actually discussing with the audience what their projects needs and future requirements are, which allows us to go back to our organisation and plan our technology developments in line with what the end users need.
And so networking is truly valuable. As you start building relationships, you build trust, you ask questions, you learn more about some of their investment opportunities, and you really get a better understanding of how and who is trying to solve this, or at least when you're having a problem in the future, you know who to call and who to ask for, at least to start answering some of those questions that are out there. But networking is a great opportunity for us to share and collaborate together.
The differences between an expo and this is you get more time with the customer, and you can actually talk through, the D-LODs and the capability, what you're trying to promote. So you get much more engagement, personal engagement with the customers, and industry collaboration is much greater.
I think I'm here for the 5th or 6th time. Shows that it is really worthwhile to invest this time. Always interesting to get into the exchange with multinational partners from other nations, but also with industry, in order to see what is currently available, how do others think about the current military and operational challenges.
It's great to meet the user groups, and they seem to be all represented here, which is good. So the feedback is amazing, to be able to talk to people directly. That's the main thing. There's one thing about doing press launches and press releases, but to be able to talk to people directly has been invaluable, really.
I think multiple ways that it benefits, not only a beautiful spot here in the center of the hall, so that definitely also helped, but also the speaking slots that we had in the big conference room about our next armored vehicle system. That was great, and reaching a big audience, so thumbs up for that.
I must say this has been a fantastic event. We've had the opportunity to present the latest updates on our programs within General Dynamics Land Systems, and we've had a chance to meet a wide range of the customer community, our actual customer in the UK and potential customers through delegations from foreign and allied nations, with some really relaxed environment, giving us a chance to have a proper conversation.
The event is projected to the future, not only to the present. It's very useful in order to develop our thinking and sharing ideas, sharing our commonalities as NATO countries and European countries.